tell you what. You're gonna see in this video how to replace the crank, regulator, and the actual window itself. Had to snag one from the junkyard. It did take me a bit, and I put it off for a while once I had it, because I had to actually, well, I'm driving right now, obviously, but there's a guide that guides the window down. It pretty much popped off the welds that I had to put on. And you know, I'm the JB weld god, so tack that bitch up, stuck her on there, and well, look at that, window's back in. Well, I mean, you can't see it obviously because I'm rolling around with the windows down, but you'll see. I'll cut to the beauties at the end here, but enjoy the time lapse. If this is your first time stopping by the channel, make sure to subscribe for more. I'm TKIRKMEDIA. My name's Tyler. I'm your host. Let's get to it.
Hey.
Yes.
Where you at? Okay, chill. Okay, bet.
Smoke loud when I'm XB farming.
I'm down in the mid, never boring. I don't really give a fuck, I'm not important. Like an Air Force One, fuck a Jordan. Stacking out the hundreds, money hoarding. I know I'm coming up. Do not give a fuck. Sometimes I feel like I'm stuck. Ooh. Welcome to the function, and I cannot function. Yeah, the booty bumping, it always are thumping. This is from the north side, but we on the south side. Yeah, I'm a butterfly, I don't really wanna die. I don't wanna do this other shit. She thought we would be over all this. Been going on since October, oh shit. I'm done with my face like a zombie. I ain't down, they would wait, not alarming. Dark child, the chaos someone's on me. Smoke loud when I'm XP farming. I'm down in the mid, never foreign. I don't really give a fuck, I'm not important. Like an Air Force One, fuck a Jordan. Stacking out the hundreds, money hoarding. I'm down with my face like a zombie. I ain't down, they would wait, not alarming. Dark child, the chaos someone's on me. Smoke loud when I'm XP farming.
Came in with a win for good attention. I might just exceed the pretension. Oh, well, all along done it myself. We came to the mission. Can't stop it, I top it. They bleed, I rock it. I drink pop it, might cop it. Girl to nip it, I stop it. In the sky.
I'm really liking this new tripod, honestly. It's dope. I'm happy with it. Call it another one. It's done. We got the window install video. Hopefully you enjoyed that voice. Oh. Who wants to see the start of my weekend?
Stacking out the hundreds, money hoarding. I'm down in the mid, never foreign. I don't really give a fuck, I'm not important. Like an Air Force One, fuck a Jordan. Stacking out the hundreds, money hoarding. I'm down with my face like a zombie. I ain't down, they would wait, not alarming. Dark child, the chaos someone's on